Welcome, Nishant, to
Hi.
Autocar Pro. I just would like to understand how is the development in your buses segment. I mean, what kind of demand you're looking at since festival season is just around the corner. Uh, the bus segment itself is doing, great since past few years. So, if you can just provide some color around it, that would be nice.
No, I see that the bus segment is very well positioned currently because on the electric bus segment specifically, whether we look at PM e-bus Seva or we see PM e-drive or we look at multiple state tenders and opportunities, and the private sector has had a very good uptake now, where they're focusing on the coach market, intercity market, staff buses, school buses, airport buses. So the market is very well positioned for good growth, and currently I think the market is flooded with more than 50,000 worth of orders, which will be delivered periodically in the next few years. So at JBM we are very well positioned because the capacity we have is more than 20,000 buses right now, which is dedicated for electric, which is not a shared capacity like we see in many other cases. So and with complete product range of more than 10 platforms, close to 20 variants and models. So I think we are having everything which a customer requires today.
Also, if you can also touch upon the component side of it, how is the business around that?
No, component business has been growing very well. We are seeing that the market has really been coming up well, and with the GST cut which has come across, I see that as a great opportunity for higher disposable income with customers, and they will be enhancing their purchases, preponing their purchases now. And with the festive season, I think it looks very promising, and we are looking forward to a great year ahead. Having our exposure in passenger vehicle, commercial vehicles, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, all the segments.
And finally, one question which is, very interesting. Which may be of much curiosity for our audience. On the recent fundraise which you did, if you can talk about it, how are you going to utilize those funds? In which areas of operations, and what's your plan ahead at a
Sure.
holistic level?
So we have just raised $100 million from International Finance Corporation, which is part of World Bank, and these funds are taken in our mobility entity called JBM Ecolife Mobility, which is a subsidiary of JBM Auto, and these funds will be deployed in executing mobility projects across India. So close to 1,500 buses will be delivered and executed with these funds, which we have just raised from World Bank.
Any more plans of fundraising in the near or in the medium term? If you can just
No, we
indicate.
keep engaging with funds as and when requirements come up. So that is why it's an ongoing process. And whenever any needs come up, then we take those funds from renowned global institutions. And because for institutions like today for IFC, this is the largest ever deployment in the sector in Asia, which they have done in our company. Yeah.
Thanks, Nishant. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time and your insights. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thanks a
Thanks.
lot. Thank
Thank
you.
you.